In the heart of a quiet park, a group of friends gathers for a picnic. Suddenly, one friend sneezes, but it's not just any sneeze, it's synchronized. Instantly, everyone in the group follows suit, sneezing in perfect timing like a well-rehearsed choir. Passers-by glance over, bewildered, as their sneezes cause a whirlwind of leaves to dance around them. Out of nowhere, a dog joins in, sneezing in rhythm, developing a newfound friendship with the group. As they all stifle laughter, an unsuspecting jogger sprints through the park, not knowing that he's about to be caught in a hilarious sneeze storm.